Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial, and today we're going to be learning about the song Hot to Go by Chappell Roan. So this one's going to be pretty quick and easy to learn, given that we're only going to be using 2 chords for the entirety of this song. So quick disclaimers first, given that the original audio of the song uses synthesizers among all other things, I'm going to be tweaking or adjusting the plucking pattern that we're going to use in our guitar, so that it still sounds nice when it comes to playing it all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so what I've said before, the chords that we're going to use are just going to be these 2 chords right here. So once again, it's going to be the F sharp major chord. It's going to be the B major 7 chord. Yep, just those 2 chords right there. First up is going to be the F sharp major chord. It's going to be this one right here. Like so. Some people play it like this. Or like this. They use their 3 fingers for these notes right there. But personally, I just like doing it like this. I don't know, it just feels right to me. Yeah, so first up, we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 9th fret right here, starting from the A string down to the high E string, along with a dead note or a muted sound on the lower E string as well, by just extending our index finger right there. Because if you don't, it's going to ring out. So make sure you extend it just a little bit, so that creates that dead sound right there. Yep, so that's going to be dead string, 9, 11, 11, 11, then 9. Yep, and next up is going to be the B major 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be 7th fret on the lower E string, dead string, A string. It's going to be 8, 8, 7, then dead string. Yep, once again, F sharp major chord. It's going to be the B major 7 chord. Yep, once again, just those 2 chords for the entirety of this song. And as for the plucking pattern, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so what we're going to do is just going to be like this. Just like that. So allow me to break it down for you guys. So the first thing that we're going to do is going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. So for the chord F sharp major chord, we're going to be using the A string as our root note, or the bass string for this plucking pattern. Then for the B major 7 chord, we're going to be using the lower E string. Yep, so for example, for the B major chord, it's going to be the bass, which is going to be the lower E string, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. Waiting it out for 1 count, then slapping it. Once again, bass, D, G, and B strings all together, then slapping it. Yep, same thing here for the F sharp major chord. It's going to be the bass string, D, G, B strings all together. Waiting it out, then slapping it. Once more, bass, D, G, and B strings all together, then slapping it. Yep, just like that. Same thing here. And with that said, the entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the chord progression that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Once again, it's going to be the F sharp major chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern 4 times. So once again, F sharp major chord, 1, 2, 3, then 4. That's going to be the B major chord for 8 counts as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then after that, you're going to be repeating that entire thing for a total of 13 repetitions. This is going to be your entire song basically, from start to finish. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Baby, do you like this beat? I made it so you dance with me. It's like 199 degrees when you're doing it with me, doing it with me. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll, dance it out, you're hot to go. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, snap and clap and touch your toes. Raise your hands, now body roll. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. radio. You can take me hard to go. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'm sure to do it for you. And we'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks smiley down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.